Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sifat Salsabila dari kelas 12 MIPA 2 SMA Negeri 1 Sungai Penuh dengan guru pembimbing Teacher Herming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sifat Salsabila from 12 Science 2 Senior High School 1 Sungai Penuh with Supervisor Teacher Herming.
Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Cynthia Ramadhani Tanjung dari kelas 12 MIPA 2 SMA Negeri 1 Sungai Penuh dengan guru pembimbing Teacher Herming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Ramadhani Tanjung from 12 Science 2 Senior High School 1 Sungai Penuh with Supervisor Teacher Herming.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Tiara Septiani Putri, berasal dari kelas 12 MIPA 2 SMA Negeri 1 Kota Sungai Penuh dengan guru pembimbing Teacher Herming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Septiani Putri. I'm from 12 Science 2 Senior High School 1 Sungai Penuh with Supervisor Teacher Herming.
Baik, di sini kami akan menunjukkan kepada kalian semua cara membuat ekoenzim. Well, here we will show to you all how to make ekoenzim.
Thank you.
Ekoenzim is a complex solution product by fermentation of fresh kitchen waste, fruit and vegetable drinks, brown sugar and water, developed by Dr. Rosukan from Thailand. Materials: 1 liter plastic bottle, brown sugar, remaining fruit and vegetable peels, glue to attach the bottle, cap with a hose to release the gas contained in the bottle. How to make ekoenzim? Prepare a used plastic container that can close tightly. Do not use metal containers as they are less elastic. The fermentation process will produce gas, so it requires a clear container. Put 1 liter of water into a plastic container followed by 100 grams of brown sugar. Enter the remaining fruit peels or vegetable residue into the container. Leave space for the fermentation process. Don't fill the container completely. Stir or turn your plastic bottle or container upside down until the water and sugar solution are mixed. Don't shake it. In the first month, gas will be produced from the fermentation process. Stir or turn the plastic container or bottle upside down, followed by unscrewing the plastic containers or bottle every day for the first 1 month. Store in cool, dry and ventilated place. Avoid direct sunlight and do not store in the refrigerator. Fermentation lasts for 3 months for tropical area and 6 months for subtropical area. After 3 months, your ekoenzim can be harvested. Purpose: ekoenzim is a multi-purpose liquid or external using. A for household is general cleaner, insect repellent, natural antiseptic, laundry cleaner, car care, fabric softener, to remove the foul odor, mold and grime in the kitchen, to remove odor from pets and cigarettes, to prevent drain pipe blockage. B for agriculture is organic fertilizer, natural herbicide and pesticide, clean impure and dirty water in the farm. Many benefits of ekoenzim with ingredients that are widely available in our homes and easy manufacturing method. This can be our way to save expenses and not cause a lot of waste. So, are you interested in making eco enzyme? Or have you made eco enzyme before? Let's share your story about making eco enzyme in the comment column. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.